is up, you guys, and welcome to Islands of Adventure, our very first time together.
I'm so ready. Let's go.
Let's go adventure around Islands of Adventure.
It'll be fun doing something new together for once.
That's for sure. So, we just crossed a little bridge, and I guess our plan is to go try and get on Hagrid's.
Yeah.
It says it's a 15-minute wait right now, so you don't need the virtual queue, but we are ready if we do.
So excited.
The only bummer is Universal makes you put your stuff away on every ride in a locker, so.
Yeah, so it'll slow us down some.
And we won't be bringing you guys to scream your head off on the ride with us.
No,
So.
sorry.
Sorry about that. It's gonna be a interrupting thing throughout the day. So, off to Hagrid's. It's weird being here. I haven't been here in a long time. All right, so we gotta put our stuff in a locker and then we can get in line. See you after. So we caved in already. We got butter beers. Let's give them a try. What are your thoughts on these here butter beers?
I think they're delicious. It's really nice on a hot day too.
Tastes like a really creamy, sweet cream soda.
I agree.
It's good though. So we are going on this ride now. I don't remember the name already. It's the Harry Potter ride inside of Hogwarts. So again, sticking you in a locker and see you after. All right, so another ride down. That's two so far.
That ride was so cool. I've ridden that ride before, like a long time ago, and I remember like some parts of it, but not all of it. It was seriously so cool.
I think I've only been on it once. Because I told her I could only remember the queue, like the line. Couldn't remember the ride.
I just remember going upside down.
So we're in the Jurassic Park area now, so we're gonna go get on the riverboat adventure.
Yeah.
Yes.
So excited.
Pete the shirt.
I
Box
just took some
lunch.
pictures of him in front of the little Jurassic Park car and the little dinosaur.
Making
since it matches the
memories.
shirts.
So you get to go on one ride with us because we don't even need a locker for this one, thank God.
Yeah, we get to take our masks off.
You get to go maskless. Here we go.
This is Jurassic Park Animal Kingdom. It looks like one of the Hagosaurs stuck in your phone off course. You are entering the Raptor containment area. Please, stay seated. So grab your phone with the receipt dock ahead. Start it
So we just got off of Jurassic. That ride is kind of terrifying at the end.
Yeah.
The drop's a lot bigger than I remember.
Yeah, I was like picturing like Splash Mountain like drop. It's definitely bigger than Splash Mountain.
So
I was a little scared.
we're in the Disney realm of limits for rides right now. We're getting kind of shell shocked today. Hagrid's was crazy. It's probably one of the fastest roller coasters I've been on.
That was so cool.
So we're in the gift shop now, looking at some ride
Trying to find the wait
times.
times, but I can't figure this out.
Looking at a couple souvenirs. I like this cup, but it says Jurassic World. I wish it just said Jurassic Park. And yeah, there's this sign that I keep seeing that makes zero sense to me. So it says spend $175 and get a non-interactive wand for free. Who spends that much on souvenirs? Not me. This is all new to me. I've never seen this. I like how the mountains go like way back.
Really cool.
So we're possibly gonna hop on this. Let's see the wait time.
No, 40 minutes.
Ah, psych. And that's how we plan our days at the theme parks, yeah. We're about to get soaking wet on Dudley Do-Right's Ripsaw Falls.
Only a 5-minute wait.
And we don't need a locker, so
Yeah.
we're gonna get soaked, we're gonna get all our stuff wet, and then we're gonna go on the Hulk.
Yeah.
That's the game plan. All right, just got off Dudley Do-Right, and I don't know if it's really picking up on the camera.
We are soaked.
I have to wring out my mask.
It felt feel really, really good though. I'm glad we went. It's freaking hot out and I feel great right now.
What a rush.
That drop was ginormous. It was scary.
We're so used to Splash Mountain being our big one that these other new ones we haven't been on in a while.
It's getting us.
So we're gonna go try and use the Hulk as an air dryer now.
Yeah.
Here we go.
We're gonna scream on that too.
Definitely. Superhero Island. We got some games out here you can play. We got whack-a-mole. We got basketball. We got shoot the water through the hole. You can win a minion in a coconut bikini. And some more basketball.
An ice cream cone.
Oh, a minion cone. Giant can of Duff. Ooh, a big minion.
Is that a cat?
Where? Those look like cats. Oh, wow. Storm, Spider-Man, Captain America. Hi. What's up, man?
Hi. I love your old school shirt. Thank you. Yeah.
I love your new school flip-flops.
Thank you.
Can we take a selfie with you guys?
Yeah, we have a spot right over here for you.
Your ink for a little bit. Do you have any superheroes on your arm?
No, it's a Little Mermaid.
What's up there?
She's a superhero to me.
So, come over here, guys. Right over here.
That was our first ever Islands of Adventure character meet and greet. That was pretty cool.
Cool. We got a picture with the...
Spider-Man liked my flip-flops.
Can't really see it, but...
You just stand in front of the little stage there, take the selfies and whatnot. So, we're almost to the Hulk. And then Spider-Man.
Yeah.
After a lunch, that's what I'm going to call it, just a lunch.
Wasn't worth showing or anything.
I'll never go back there in my life. It was Blondie's. I thought it was like a sub shop. No, you just pick either turkey, ham, or roast beef, and that's all you get to pick, really. But yeah, won't be back. So we're sneaking out now since we've done pretty much everything except Kong and Popeye.
Dr. Doom, that was it.
Dr. Doom. So we are gonna sneak on out. We're gonna go to the resort, and then we're gonna sneak on over to Volcano Bay. Check it out for the very first time.
Yeah, we're really excited.
It's
been a really, really good day here, though. There was really, really low crowds. We barely waited in any lines. It was awesome.
So we only have a couple of hours because they close at 5 and it is 1:30, but it'll be a nice sneak peek.
Yeah, but we're also going back like on Wednesday for like a full day of being at Volcano Bay. So.
Right. So we're headed into Volcano Bay for our sample day. Don't know how much we're gonna get, but I'll show you some stuff, and then we're just gonna run wild for the night.
Yeah.
I see something. I think we found it. All right, let's see what we can get into. Look at that. Looks a lot bigger than when you're driving by it.
Yeah.
That's one of the Cabana Bay Towers. And we're staying across the street at Aventura. By the way, it was literally a 5-minute walk from the pool at our resort just to get to the gate to get into here. So that's a nice perk.
Yeah, you, kid.
Kid. This guy's picking a fight. Well, what a couple hours we just had.
Yeah. It was a lot of fun.
We did Krakatoa twice.
That's like the water roller coaster, by the way.
Water coaster.
Not everyone knows the names of these, and we don't even really know them.
That's like the big one if you come here. wave pool twice, which is not that big a deal. And then the fast-moving lazy river, we sat in there. I think we did 5 laps.
That was pretty cool.
Which I could sit in there for an hour probably. And then we did something else that I don't remember what.
We did some like racer things where you're not actually in like a raft or anything. You just like, I don't know, lay down.
It's like
and
the
you race to the bottom.
4-seater kind of. Well, this one's like a 5-seater.
And then there was another one where they like named them like the whale and like the turtle. There's like a blue one and a green one, and that's the one with like the 4. It's like the big raft,
Yep.
and you go like
Except
all crazy.
4 or 5 altogether. So we did the tubes, like the racing kind of thing, and then we sat on one little flower petal by ourselves.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun.
Going backwards is not fun. Felt like I was gonna fly
it was
out.
scary.
Literally feels like the whole raft is gonna flip over, but I would go on it again. Hopefully, just not go backwards.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun though.
So we're gonna figure out dinner and
Yeah.
get changed,
Yeah,
have a
take-
snack.
Take showers, get freshened up, those sorts of things before we figure out what we're doing for dinner.
We'll check back in with you. We have changed and revitalized. And tonight's plans are taking us to the Old Key West Resort on Disney property to eat at Olivia's.
Yay! I love that place. I always get the same thing every time we go. The chicken that they have there, the fried chicken is so good, and it comes with mashed potatoes and I think like green beans or something.
Yes.
But it's really, really good. But we're going a little bit early. We're gonna get some drinks. Yeah.
You always have to guess which elevator. There's like 6. There it is. We are strolling in for our Disney date night on vacation. Welcome to the Keys. That's where we'll be dining tonight, but we're going to continue on this little strip here that we're in. That's also part of the restaurant. You can sit outside. We will probably be inside, but we're going to come out here. I'm going to take left, and you will see the tiniest bar probably on Disney property. Would you agree that this is the tiniest bar on Disney property?
Yeah. That's that I can think of.
At least top 3. But
It's nice and just like, there's really not a lot of people here, which is nice. It's just like nice and just cozy, quiet.
couple tables. But here it is, the gurgling suitcase. And there it is, full bar tour. One shot.
There is like a little seating area.
There it is. Found a nice little spot right outside of the gurgling suitcase. There's usually a table right there behind those doors right there. A nice little sized table we sit at. There's really no seating.
But they took the seats out.
So
Yeah.
we'll manage. At least we're in the shade.
Yeah, we're making it work.
Just enjoying the vibes.
I'm just glad we don't have to wear a mask right now.
Enjoying each other. Having
Always.
a vacation. See you at dinner. Food orders in. Oh, and we sat down, by the way. Both got the fried chicken. Highly recommend.
It's our favorite. We get it every single time we come here.
I'll show you the fried chicken when it gets here. It's arguably the best on property.
I agree.
There it is. The southernmost buttermilk fried chicken. Both got the same thing. Because we love it. Yum. So I got fried chicken, green beans, mashed potatoes, and a biscuit. I'm gonna go ahead and steal this butter back before they steal that from my biscuit. Dinner was delicious,
Yes, it was really, really good.
and so was company.
Yeah, we love Olivia's. We always literally get the same thing every time we go, but it's just so good. It's like when you go, you just have to get the same thing.
It's like when you know you like something,
Yeah.
and then you see something else where you're like, oh, but stick to your gut.
Yeah, when you know, you know.
So that's gonna do it for today.
Yeah, we're heading back to the resort now. Probably just gonna chill, get comfortable, lay down, probably watch a movie or something, and then tomorrow we are heading to Universal.
See you there. So, thanks for watching. See you real soon.